Khan Academy, Algebraic Thinking. We're working on the subtopic, Create Expressions with Parentheses. Which problem could be solved with the expression 32 divided by 3 plus 1? The best thing to do is just to read each of these and see if we can kind of make sense out of each of them. So Allie builds furniture. She built 32 chairs. She sold 3 chairs and broke 1. How many chairs does she have left? Okay. Greg has 32 toys. He decides to split the toys evenly between him and his 3 brothers. How many toys would each boy receive? Betty has 32 students she tutors. She got 3 additional students. She then advertised and got 1 more student. How many students does she have now? Okay, so in all of these, the one thing that I noticed is that I do have division, and division means I'm splitting things up into groups. And the only choice here where we're splitting things into groups is Greg. He has 32 toys, and he's going to divide them between his 3 brothers and him. So he's going to divide them into 4. So each boy would receive 32 divided by 4. Jordan is chopping wood for the winter. For 10 days in a row, he follows the same process. In the morning, he chops 20 pieces of wood, and in the evening, he chops an additional 30 pieces of wood. After Jordan chopped all the wood, he sorted the wood into 5 equal-sized piles. Which numerical expression shows the amount of wood that would go into each pile? Okay, so 5 times 20 plus 30 divided by 10, 10 times 20 plus 30 divided by 5, 10 times 20 plus 30 divided by 5. So again, we're splitting it into 5 piles, so I know I've got to have a divided by 5 there. When I look here, this is 10 days times 20 pieces of wood, but then we never talk about the evening where he does the 30 pieces of wood. So that's not going to work. Here, this is for 10 days. He chops 20 in the morning and 30 in the evening. So that's going to give us a total of 50, which is what he chops in a full day. And then we're going to take our answer, 10 times 50. We're going to get that answer, and we'll divide it into 5 piles. So C is our best choice. Which problem could be solved with the expression 5 times 2 plus 4 divided by 6? And again, I see that division in there, so I feel like it's going to mean I'm splitting something up into groups. Hayden made 2 bracelets before school and 4 after school each day for 5 days. Then he split the bracelets into 6 equal groups. How many bracelets did Hayden have in each group? Okay, so far that seems like that one could work, because for 5 days, he did 2 before school and 4 after school. So that would give us our total amount of bracelets, and then he divided it into 6 equal groups. Let's just double check that B and C don't make sense. Kai, the dog, ate 2 bones on Monday, 4 bones on Tuesday, 6 bones on Wednesday. On Thursday, she ate 5 times more bones than the other days combined. How many bones did Kai eat on Thursday? Okay, so this one seems like it's a possibility because it has all the right numbers. But here we would be adding up, on Thursday, 5 times more bones than all the other ones combined. So we would be adding up the 2 and the 4 and the 6, okay, not dividing the 6. So B is not going to be correct. Shady is building a new back deck. He puts 2 nails and 4 screws in each board. He did this to 5 boards. How many total screws and nails did he use? So this one fits perfectly with our beginning, 2 nails and 4 screws, okay? And then timesing that by 5 boards, but this has nothing with the 6 in there. So A is our best answer. Alan found 4 marbles to add to the 5 marbles in his collection. Then he went to the store and tripled the number of marbles he had. So which numerical expression shows the amount of marbles Alan has now? So he had 4 to add to his 5. So we have to have our 4 and we're adding our 5. Okay, and then tripling it, because this would give us our total amount, and then tripling it is timesing it by 3.